We are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting, but so often mispronounced, Vietnamese names as well. And you don't want to be one of those, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. So how do you say it? No, it is not to be said Ngoc or Ngoc, but in Vietnamese, this is said as best as I can pronounce it as Nhop, Nhop. Yes, a P sound at the end, Nhop, Nhop. So if you can remember it easily, the easiest and closest way you could easily pronounce it in English would be as Nhop, Nhop. In Vietnamese, again, Nhop, Nhop. And now you know, at least you know better. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting names from Vietnam whose pronunciations aren't obvious and that so many mispronounce so much. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your support.